Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool Honda here, and look what has just turned up on site. This racing blue Civic Type R, or as they like to call it, Boost Blue Type R. Of course, these cars are very, very hot at the moment, only due to the reason that you can no longer purchase this vehicle anymore due to the Swindon site closing down. But of course, now we do have one in stock. And of course, what a car this is. Of course, it comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels. Sorry, quick correction, 20-inch alloy wheels. Of course, we've got the body coloured door mirrors. And of course, the carbon fibre side skirt extensions. We've got, just going to go into each and every alloy as well, just so you can get an idea of what condition they're all in. Of course, we do have Brembo brakes front and rear. Again, probably the best part of the vehicle, and what most people will only see, is the rear end. We've got 3 exit exhaust with the carbon fibre splitter, and of course the signature Type R wing on the rear. Of course, we do have a reversing camera as well, just so that you don't ruin the back end of the vehicle, say if you're reversing. Of course, we have plenty, for a hot hatch, we do have plenty of room in here. Of course, the seats fold flat with that level just there. And of course, you have your privacy shelf just here. Moving around again. Of course, with this being the vehicle being the facelift, I will show you a few little extra components on this vehicle, just to prove that it is so. Of course, the previous owner did put these Type R kick plates on the door jambs. We've got the usual red Type R seat belts, ISOFIX mounting points, and of course automatic and electric rear windows. We also have keyless entry, as you can hear now. The car's now locked itself. Grab the handle again, it will then open. We've got the Alcantara door shuts, door cards, along with all the electric windows, which are automatic, window lock, central locking, and of course electric adjustment for the power fold wing mirrors. Again, we've got some more Type R kick plates just there. Of course, I will start the car up for you now. So, of course, the previous owner did also install these LED lights underneath, just to give it more of a sportier feel to the vehicle. We also have your park brake and brake hold, your Type R plaque just here, and of course your drive select. You do have comfort, sport or Type R, and your stop start is just there. With this being the 2-litre petrol, it does come with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Of course, the dual climate control, which is controlled via the touchscreen display just here. Again, back to the home screen, you can see we do have your navigation just here. We also have your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course all of your audio sources just there. All of this is controlled via the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The right-hand side controls your speed limiter, cruise control, lane assist, and of course distance control from the car ahead. We do also have automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and of course this car has only done 2,800 miles. The previous owner bought this from us in January, and of course, due to these cars rocketing in value, he did give us the car. We bought the car back off him. Of course, you can see the Brembo brake discs just there. Of course, we do also have your LED headlights, as you can see here. And of course, that really mean front end of the vehicle. And of course, the bonnet vent just on top there. If you do require any more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we do hope to hear from you soon.